Good morning, Aaron. So here, it's Paul from Veriform. So I want to show you. So these are the samples that we made up. Okay, so we bought these two pieces. Would you believe it or not, this is like 80 US and this is like 20 US, and then the shipping costs from McMaster-Carr. But this is the special grade of material, the pH 13.5 and 17.8. I forget exactly what it is, but the mill test certificates are here. So what we did was we machined them. You can see how we machined them, so that the one fits inside the other. For future, if you want to, if this order repeats, I'll let you do it. That way you do the machining cost yourself. The material's already paid for, so I'll send this to you. So in the future, you can make these parts for us. So what we did was we machined this one to a smaller diameter, and this one we drilled to a 3/8 roughly, okay? And I'm hoping that when the welding is done, we don't use up all these samples. Maybe we'll send one of these to you. And again, if you send it back, let's say 6 months from now you order more, and let's say we only use, let's say, 2 samples, and there's 3, you can always ship this material and let's say 3 samples that are left over for setup. All right, that way I don't have to charge you for this, and you can keep this cost internally. And if you need to machine more for down the road, there's enough here to do. You can see a lot of these. We could do 20 pieces more. So this is definitely the next decade worth for test pieces for setup. Okay. The only thing we didn't do was bevel the inside of this exterior piece and bevel the outside of that piece. But you can see what I mean here. I'll show you. So it just fits inside each other. Push it, probably I said push it down, and then I just hammer it in there, and then we can do a bead in there with TIG. All right, so same with these guys here. All right, so I'll put these in there, and you can refer to this video down the road of what we did. Here's we'll even give you the drawing that we made internally to make these pieces up for setup of the weld test for these special grades of stainless. The mill test reports, like I said, are here inside. Sorry, it's all in here, and when you get it, you won't have 5 anymore. We'll have probably used 2 or 3 for the setup. All right, thanks.